this hurt, yeah. I'm too young to be this hurt, yeah. I'm too young to be this hurt, yeah. I'm too young to be this hurt, yeah. 너가 울렸던 내 전화는 꺼놨지. 필요했나봐 내게 나의 시간이. I don't want no pain 너의 깊은 생각이. 너가 줬던 옷들 다 아직도 있지. Call me up again 너의 부재중 I'ma pick up my phone, yeah. Call me up again 화면에는 빨간색 숫자가 또 떠있지. Hit me up again 우리 몰래 차 안에서 주고받은 선물 같이. Call me up again hit me up again 우리 전화하듯이 또 비밀리. 난 너가 더 보고 싶은데 yeah, yeah. 전화가 더 울렸으면 해 yeah, yeah. I know this isn't what you wanna hear, yeah. You know I've been down so lately, no more tell, yeah. All this pain inside me put me down to dirt, yeah. 나는 알아 I'm too young to be this hurt, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm too young to be this hurt, 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 yeah. 절대 안 돼, 우린 나한테 너무 가혹해. 만약에 너가 원한다면 전부 다 사올게. I do so, can you think about it once more? 너가 싫어하는 모든 것들 I want. 너가 없이 매일 밤을 취해서 너의 흔적들을 찾으려고 했어. Oh, girl, how did you love a boy like me? Like you did. 우리 침대 속에서 난 가만히 너가 돌아오길 바랬어. I'm too young to be this hurt, baby. I'm too young to be this hurt, baby. 자주 와봐하는 우린 너의 곁에 널 지켜주는 내가 없으면 어떡해. Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could put a time machine, 'cause time moves on and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about a youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Smiles they fade because her dad only visits once a month. Since she got a family
I just realized I'm not wearing my apron. So the person used to say a true chef does not need an apron, but let's rectify that.
But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. People don't stay the same, you know.